Hello chapati lover and hi egg lover. Today is your lucky day. Here is a recipe of both worlds in one, the Ugandan rolex. Beat 2 eggs, a pinch of salt for each egg. On a hot frying pan, pour some little cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons. When it is ready and hot, pour the eggs on the frying pan and fry both sides. If you haven't subscribed, now is the time to hit that subscribe button. When it has turned perfect golden brown, place the chapatis on top and then lay it on a kitchen table. Slice a tomato on top of the egg, add some chopped onions, and then sprinkle some salt to taste. Roll the egg in the chapati and take the biggest bite that you can. Remember, close your eyes while you chew. It's heaven on earth and you are tasting it. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.